Oh, what?
No, it's a steering shock. Oh, steering shock popped off.
You see the other end of it? All right, so we got a call for a...
Start over. You look dumb.
Starting over is not going to help.
I'll look dumb 30 seconds from now. Same as I did 30 seconds ago.
Okay.
Okay, so we got a phone call. Hello, this is Caleb. Yep, we're on our way. We'll be there as soon as we can, so. No, we actually just got all the stuff loaded up and we're just leaving American Fork, so. That was the guy we're gonna go get.
So
okay.
F-150, stuck in the mud. Doesn't look real bad. You never really know. Mud is different depending on where you are in Utah.
This is west of the Salt Lake, so it's probably gonna be clay.
So
very
we'll see.
slippery.
Hopefully it's not too big of a deal. I'm not too worried. I think it'll be no big deal. Drive up to it, pull it out, get them back out to the road. And
long drive, quick recovery, long drive home.
Head to the next one, because we got another one right after this one. So.
Yep. Enjoy the ride.
See ya.
Oh my, that's a really light. I'm just gonna turn that off. Do you have a light in here? You can see?
I think it's part of the blown fuse. Here, I
got my flashlight right here.
I'll get a flashlight out of my pocket.
Here we go.
Okay, so we're off the freeway. We're off I-80. We are on some back roads right now. We are a little west of Dell, Utah. We're gonna go out in the boonies. Should be a fun little trip to see where he's stuck. We got Lunchbox with us today. Our favorite person.
That's a lot.
And editor. We got Brock with us and me and Ben. Ben's in the white Land Cruiser with Brock, and I have the beloved Lunchbox with me. I am blessed for his presence.
You know all that's getting cut out.
No, I really hope you leave it in there.
Maybe in the back. That faint dot out there might be our customer.
Yeah, he just texted me and said, I see you. Holy cow.
That was a deep hole. Yeah.
But it's super small. Nice to meet you. So, yeah, I'm assuming you're headed that way.
Yeah.
So I'll get turned around and we'll just hook onto the front.
Cool. The exit?
Something hanging on here underneath. Is that supposed to be there? It's like a little white piece hanging down.
Probably not.
Oh, what?
No, it's a steering shock. Oh, steering shock popped off.
You see the other end of it? Did it break off?
It's stuck in the mud. Well, I'll probably have to unbolt it and take it off.
You got your light again, Ben?
It's in the other Land Cruiser.
Are those hooks strong? We want to bridle it and have both, or just one?
It looks pretty stout. I don't think it'll take a ton to get it going.
Which one do you want to be in? I'll probably have.
I'll get in.
Yeah, one of us will get in it because we work together a lot and everything. We'll get it out and back up on the road, and then we'll unhook if it feels like he can drive, easy. Because right up there it got a lot better. So, and then we'll just make sure,
So I do have a dog in the vehicle. He's pretty friendly.
Nice? Alright.
Just a pop.
I hope he licks your ear.
Yeah.
My what?
So you're out here hunting coyotes or something?
No, I was chucker hunting. Actually,
Oh.
I've been here this morning. This was like all pretty frozen, pretty firm.
Yeah.
And then coming down today, I just didn't think much of it. Started like, you know, I was talking to my wife, and all of a sudden I'm like, oh, shit, I'm not going anywhere, so I'm kind of stuck. So yeah, that's how it went.
Okay, everybody ready?
Yep.
Okay, good.
Up and out.
Right now it's in 4 high,
Right, okay.
but I had it in 4 low because that turns all the traction control stuff off.
Oh, okay.
Sometimes it does all right when it's just slick like this,
Yeah.
but it feels like, if it feels like you're not having the traction you need, I go ahead and pop it in neutral and put it back down into low.
Okay.
But it feels pretty good, so
Alright.
should be all right.
Awesome.
When we get back to pavement, we'll unbolt that steering shock and take it off.
He'll follow you. Just make sure we go get it.
Okay, sounds good.
Well, it doesn't look like it broke. Looks like just the nut must have fallen off.
Yeah. So it's been making a lot of noise when I turn really tight, because I think this one is an inch short than what I need.
Oh, so it was
So I've been wanting to get a new one anyways.
pulling on it, didn't have enough throw.
Yeah. It's always an adventure when you hang out with Brendermans. Got it.
Do you have the other two?
Yep.
Okay.
I still think we should go to that gas station. Clean off some windows.
Yeah, clean the windows off. My windshield really has a lot of dents on it, so.
Mine did till I hit that puddle.
Oh, really?
Let's start over.
Chewing.
Okay, so that went pretty good. Long drive. We got out there and turned around. One quick pull. Pulled him out of the ruts. We got him through the super soft stuff. Put him on the harder but still soft stuff, but he drove out just fine after that. We had one casualty. My secondary steering shock decided to give up the ghost, and it was hanging down when we got there from the dirt road. So we pulled over on the pavement and unbolted it the rest of the way. I don't have any wobble or anything. It seems to be driving fine. So I'll just order a new one and put it on there next week. And yeah, everything went pretty good. He was happy. It was just a long drive.
Quick and easy, but yeah, it's like 100 miles or something to get to him.
Yeah.
Now
So
it's time to head back.
we got another one to go do out in Saratoga. So we'll head there now.
Yep. Be late night.
Peace.
Ah, I forgot the flashlight.
I feel like I'm sinking now. Go forward.
Hopefully, since it's turned that way, as you pull it up, it'll hold it in and it won't pull out any farther. I wasn't gonna walk on the deck and I gotta lay on it. That's why I walked all the way around. I didn't.
It's just mud.
Let's pull the deck up some so there's more room to get down underneath and reach on it.
We can. I was using this so I could lay on the deck, but not the mud.
Well, good thing I walked high then. Is deep. So
I don't want to go in it.
Yeah, I have to try and keep to the left on the high side.
Definitely am going to go around it.
I drove through just the edge of it. It was probably halfway up those tires over on the edge. Gotta drop it down. Here, I'll get it. My hand's dirty. I put the gloves on because I saw the blood on the knob. Yeah, I saw you grab them after looking.
Do you want me to move the diesel?
You don't hold that.
Drop the hooks and leave it. You want to hammer a skid under there? It looks like it's holding pretty good.
Yeah, let's put a skid under it. Then it'll slide instead of roll. Neutral with the brake off.
Yeah, that's holding really well.
That's exactly
You might have to drive it back. Just put it in two-wheel drive.
It's in two-wheel drive.
There you go. Hold on 1 second. Go ahead. Okay, hold on. Go a little bit further. I'm gonna pull the bed out for you in a second. Keep coming. Right. Right there. And I'll just pull the bed out. That out.
You want to take that strap off first? Because
I just wanted to make sure it was solid.
Yeah. Is that one under it too?
This one's on the control arm.
We can use this chain.
Okay, it's what.
It was pretty solid.
Don't forget your hammer.
Is that?
Don't forget the hammer.
Oh. I just saw it. Right handle. That's on purpose.
Yeah, just not worth it.
Okay.
Hurry up.
That went actually better than I was expecting, both loading it and unloading it. That worked out really well. I'm super happy, and the tow truck did really well. These new tires that we put on it, in the mud out there, they had way better traction. I'm thrilled. It was a great night. It worked well.
Yeah. Well, I gotta go do a couple more tows, and so
Yeah.
let's call it a night with the recoveries.
Well, until the next call.
Yeah. With the rain and the mud and as many people that get stuck in the mud,
Yeah.
hopefully we get some more.
Yep.
That's
So we'll see you on the next one.
4 today, so
Yeah. Awesome.
Oh my
darn!
God. That's a really bright light. Oh, I'm just gonna turn that off.